What is the best time and method to plant elderberry cuttings or plants? Also, is it advisable to cross-pollinate? If so, what species should we pursue? And this is Andy from Kalamazoo, Michigan.
Oh, wow.
So what do you think about that?
Well, you know, elderberries are no different from any other plant that you would propagate. You're trying to find the spot between where last year's growth ended and the next year's growth started.
Okay.
That transition zone is a zone of activity, and when you try to propagate any plant in that area where the leaf scars are, you will be very successful.
How about that?
So yeah, take cuttings there. I personally would put rooting hormone on them and stick them in some moist soil.
Okay.
I would put a baggie over them to simulate a greenhouse and keep them out of direct light.
Okay.
And keep them moist, and they should root that way.
Okay, and the best time to do that?
Is usually early in usually May, June.
Okay.
Those are good because the
spring?
new growth has already started, and you'll be able to find that transition zone.
Okay, so spring after the threat of frost, for the
Yes.
most part. What about cross-pollinating? though?
Yes. Now there are a lot of different types of elderberry, and I'm assuming that they want berries.
Yeah, that's what I
so
would
the two berries that are good to have. You're supposed to have more than one elderberry to be able to produce berries.
Okay.
And I would get the two varieties called Adam and York.
Adam and York.
Yeah, Adam and
Okay.
York. And if he's new to it and he really wants success faster, you can go ahead and you can find both of those varieties in a plant
Okay.
and buy the plant.
Okay.
But yes, you can root them.
So yes, you can root them. Yeah, spring after the threat of frost. Yeah, you need cross-pollination.
Yeah.
So Adam, York, there's a Johns, there's a Nova. Yeah, so there's some varieties there that you can actually choose from. And if you have any further questions, then I would just go to Michigan State Extension and see if they have a publication for you about elderberry.
Good,
All right.
That's a good idea.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.